Okay, so hi you guys. I'm Leah, if you ain't know. So I'm gonna do a mukbang, however you say it. Now this is kind of informal. I'm on my lunch break at work, and I always wanted to do one of these. And oh fuck, hold on y'all. I dropped my damn phone. The wind was not blowing this hard until I hit fucking record. But anyways, so I always wanted to do one of these, and I filmed one with my little sister, but it didn't really go too well. The angle was off. This angle ain't the best, but whatever. I'm at Chipotle, so I was just craving Chipotle today. I don't know, I walked here. It's a Chipotle right across the street from the mall I work at, so I just decided to walk. It's not too hot outside. I mean, it's hot. Ooh, my edges, whatever. It's not too hot outside, but it's hot, but I can bear it. If I can get this shit open. Yo, I'm starving. I was so hungry. I was so ready for my lunch break. Ow. Ooh. Okay, so I was told that guacamole is only good with Doritos, but then I asked them and I wanted to try it because I don't think I like guacamole. Like, I don't hate it, but I don't think I like it. I mean, I know it has like, it's made with like avocados or whatever, so I wanted to try it. And then I was like, I asked the dude, I was like, is guacamole on the side extra? They was like, yeah. I won't be trying it today. I had my Doritos and everything. I was ready to try it to see how it tastes, but it didn't work out that way, so whatever. Oh, let me pray. Lord, thank you. Oh, I'm so excited, Lord. Thank you. So, what y'all getting y'all bowl? So, I get a bowl. I don't get the burrito. I get brown rice. I get extra brown rice because they really be skimping you on the products here. Like, I love Chipotle, but they like give you half a spoon of everything. So I gotta tell them extra rice, extra, you know what I'm saying, the stuff I really want to taste. And I love rice. I'm someone who really loves rice. Oh y'all, look, please do not talk about my nail situation, okay? I'm in the midst of taking off my nails, and y'all ever had like a good set that just won't fucking come off? These nails just won't come off. Like, I've been taking my nails off for like maybe like 3 days because it's so painful. Because I don't get refills, I just get new sets. I don't like refills, so anytime I get my nails done, I just have to take them off myself and then go and get them redone. Because one time I went to the nail shop to get them to take my nails off and do it, thinking, you know, if I pay for them to take it off, you know, it'll be less painful, it'll probably be better for me. No, they did the same thing I do with my damn teeth. They was clipping them with the toenail clippers. And I'm like, I could've did this at the house. They didn't soak them. They was like trying to pick them off like that, and I'm just like, I could've did this at the house. I'm paying you to hurt me when I could just hurt myself. So that won't be happening no more. This shit's so good. It's ridiculous. I'm telling you, I cannot eat Chipotle without lemonade. Like, I feel like the bowl I get combined with a lemonade on the side, this lemonade good too. They must have just changed the fountain. What's up with the wind? It was not this windy at first. But yeah, they must have changed they must have just changed that fountain. Cause that lemonade was 10. But in his mukbang, I saw him eating the Doritos. Who mukbang was it? Zachary Campbell. Do y'all watch Zachary Campbell? I fucking love him. He does like the best reactions. He's just so good at what he does. But anyways, he was eating his Chipotle with a Dorito. So I'm finna see what it tastes like. See if it's good. He said get the red ones or the spicy, the nachos or the spicy nacho. I just got the regular nacho. This ain't bad. Ain't bad. That's kind of good. I ain't gonna lie. He probably done did something. That's kind of good. Kind of people get like the regular chips, and he was like, "That's too bland, especially when you eat guacamole." And from what I can remember, people wanna come out here and eat with me. From what I can remember, guacamole is bland. I don't remember it having like a real taste, like a spice to it. I don't know. These people behind me, they're gonna think I'm crazy. I'm just talking to this camera. But whatever. But how y'all day going? Mine alright. I'm ready to get off. I closed today. I hate fucking closing because I hate counting the registers. And then in my job, y'all know I work at Dillard's. You gotta wait for everybody to be done closing their register before you can leave. Like we all have to be released at the same time. Nobody leaves like at once. So that be aggravating me, but whatever. Y'all, I low-key think I'm about to get fired though. I don't know. Y'all ever just get a feeling that like your time in the job about to be up? I feel like my time's coming. But I mean, if I get fired, I mean, I'm gonna be sad, but then not really, because jobs come and go. Like, I didn't plan on being a dealer for 13 years anyway, so if I get fired, I mean, it's just time for me to go to the next level in my life, the next chapter. So you gotta look at shit like that. You know, don't look at it as a loss. Dealer served its purpose in my life, and now it's time for me to move on. So I don't know though. Because the reason, let me tell y'all. So at my job, you get 8 tardies in 6 months, right? And I don't know if on your 8th tardy you get fired, or you use up all them 8s, and on the 9th time you tardy, that's when you get fired. But I used up my 8 like last week, because my fucking Uber, let me tell y'all, I got something else to tell y'all. My fucking Uber canceled on me like in the middle of the ride. Like, not of me being in the car, but like in the middle of him coming. He was like maybe 2 minutes away and he canceled. So then I had to catch a whole nother Uber, and that made me late. Like, I don't have a car, so sometimes me getting to work is sometimes out of my control. Like, that was literally out of my control, and I didn't even go to nobody's office and say nothing, because like I just feel like they don't take that, like transportation and stuff, they don't feel like that's an excuse. Like, if your tire blow out or whatever, that's not an excuse to them. So I don't know, you guys, we'll see. But I feel like if they want to fire me, they could have been fired me. That's how I feel. But whatever. It is what it is. Well, I got my back. Oh, girl who made my bowl, she did that. Y'all, let me tell y'all about, I've been having like really crazy Ubers this week. Well, actually, it's been Lyft drivers. I haven't been using Uber because Lyft right now, like, if you know me, know me, I use Uber like religiously because I don't have a car, so that's how I have to get around. But Lyft has been giving me 50% off all my rides, so naturally I'm gonna use Lyft, right? But Lyft is ratchet. Like, I think they know the people. They know the people who get a discount rides. Like, the drivers, they call the ratchet people for the discount rides. But the full price people, you get a better ride. Cause baby, I was in one Lyft. It was a fucking spider web in the back. Like, it was on my finger. That was one. Another Uber, not Uber, sorry. Another Lyft driver, this nigga stopped at Whataburger because he said he had to pee on the way taking me home. Then another one, I don't know if I can say this on camera, but another one, y'all know what I mean. Another one asked me, did I want to match? Now, I'm not gonna say there's anything wrong with that, but you know, like in the setting, you're like, huh? Like, that's unprofessional in the setting, but you know what I'm saying? That shit was crazy though. I was like, I don't know what's wrong with y'all. Y'all ratchet. And another one, he told me that earlier that week, he think he picked up a prostitute because she was on the phone crying to some man. Like, she was like literally telling all her business, like, please, I'm sorry. What he said? I don't know. He said that she was just talking about sex and drugs and stuff like that. And then once she got out of the car, she was like, I was just kidding about all the sex and drug stuff. But I can't remember the exact story, but he was just saying, like, her conversation just sounded like she was on that shit. And I was like, that's crazy. Then one Lyft driver had the nerve to tell me, he was like, you smell too good. I was like, what? I was like, I smell too good? Like, you mean like my smell is strong? And he was like, no, it's not strong. It just smells too good. I'm like, thank you, I guess. Like, why can't you say I just smell good? Why you gotta say I smell too good? What the fuck is that? Like, what the fuck is that? You smell too good. Oh shit. Did y'all see the BET Awards? Y'all, they just need to quit. They just need to cut it out. They need to revamp. I saw a tweet, and this girl made a very good point. She said that BET needs to revamp, like, what they doing. Like, nobody wants these whack-ass drama sitcoms. Nobody wants that. They was like, they need a black, like, Say Yes to the Dress, a black HGTV type of shows. Like, bring Proud Family back on BET. Or, like, black kid cartoons. Like, and that would help, like, revamp it, because what the fuck is Wakanda? Like, they just took the Wakanda thing over the edge. Like, I haven't even seen Black Panther yet, but it's like, it cannot be that serious. Like, it really cannot. Y'all seen Nicki Minaj? That bitch was high. I don't care what nobody said. That bitch was high as hell. She was crawling all over the floor like a little... What's that he said? She was crawling. She was crawling all over the floor like a little toddler in the playpen. And then, y'all seen her ending pose? Like, before YG came on to perform Big Bang? She like ended with her leg up in the air. It just was all... It was a mess. She was drunk. She was high. She was something. She was not Nicki that night. And I was really disappointed because, bitch, all your enemies is there. Remy Ma is there. Safari is there, and Meek Mill is there. Bitch, that was your time to show out. And you want to crawl on the floor. I don't know if she wanted to, like, show all them niggas the positions they used to put her in. And was like, I know you missed it. Like, I don't know what her motive was, but it didn't come across, sis. It didn't come across. But you wanna know, I haven't listened to Nicki Minaj, like, really. Like, I really haven't even heard those Chung Lee songs and Barbie Teens. Like, I really don't give a fuck. But I think I'm gonna listen to her album. Just because, like, I haven't listened to a Nicki album since literally the first, what is it? What was it called? Pink Print? Her first album, like, Roman's Revenge. I haven't listened to an album from her since then. So, I just want to give her a chance, like, because, like, I listened to Cardi's album. And I loved it. Like, I feel like everybody loved that album. And I want to give Nicki a chance. Like, Nicki really is queen. Like, you cannot deny her that. And she really doesn't have anything to prove anymore. Like, she's been in the game a couple years now. Like, not even a couple, like, a decade, right? 10 years is a decade, right? Like, a decade. So she really don't have nothing to prove. Like, she opened doors for Cardi and for... who else y'all listen to? Rico, Nasty, and all them other hoes. She opened the door for all of them, pretty much, like, for our generation. So, you know, she's queen. Like, you cannot deny her. But it's like, okay, if you're queen, bitch, you gotta outdo these people. You know what I'm saying? You gotta show us why you queen. Like, you can't be coming to us with these tired ass looks that you got. Like, don't get me wrong, Nicki look good. Nicki look good as hell. And she gained weight, so it's like now her ass. It all makes sense now. Like, when she first came out, I remember, like, me and my best friend, we was like, we didn't really know if it was real or not, because that was like when the whole ass shot thing was really becoming a thing, right? And she was like thicker. Then when she started being with them white people and started doing all that crazy shit, she got super fucking skinny. And her ass didn't make sense. But now that she out here grown and happy and smoking weed and eating, she done got big. So I like that. So Nicki, she don't always look good. She just need to come with it. Like, I want to be able to sing her album. Like, I want to be able to rap it. I want to be able to feel it. Like, Cardi album, I feel like we loved it so much because it was relatable. Like, we could relate to the things that, like her songs. Old Nicki was relatable. But you wanna know something? Old Nicki was broker. And she wasn't in the same place like right now. Nicki got corn. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Nicki got corn. Nicki is out here. You know what I'm saying? So the way she talk and the way she rap, I feel like it's not relatable to the average girl. But nevertheless, she's still queen. I just want her to come with it. I just want her to come with it. Like, I want to be able to at least have 3 songs on the album that I'm gonna say, like, I know by heart, you know? Oh, bitch, y'all saw her wig, though? I know y'all saw that wig. Did she fire Tokyo? Like, I think somebody said she was talking shit about Tokyo. And he don't do a wig no more. I don't know. She better go to Atlanta. And go to, what's that nigga name? Aaron Gate. Now, he laid the fuck out of some weed. He will lay the fuck out of a weed. I hope y'all eating with me while I'm talking, because I find that mukbangs, they're much more interesting when you eat with the person. versus just watching me smack. But whatever. He laid the shit out of me. When I get rich, I'm going all the way to Atlanta to get my hair done by him. I want to start wearing wigs, but it's like, if I wear a wig, I want to wear it right. Like, if it don't look like the Instagram wigs, I don't want it. And that's just how I feel. Like, I just don't want it if it don't look like that. And I know I could just teach myself like how to do it, but I don't know. I want to have enough money to just pay somebody to keep it up for me, to just reapply it for me. I don't want to do it myself. That ain't me. But I'm so ready to take my hair down. Oh my god, I'm so sick of this color. I want to go back to black. I miss my real hair. I want to go my real hair for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get my hair done again for the 4th of July. Because, bitch, the 4th is coming up, and I'm trying to turn the fuck up. Because last year, 4th of July, I was so sad and depressed. But this year, damn it, I ain't gonna be sad and depressed. So, I'm ready for the 4th. Well, I'm not ready. I don't know what I'm doing, though. Well, I have an idea of what I'm doing. I'm just gotta make sure it's finalized. But bitch, I'm ready. And I'm off the day after the 4th, so I'm turning the fuck up. Like, I got to, just because I'm off. But dinners, they took away my schedule, because I'm guessing they gotta redo some stuff. And all I know is I better get off at 6 like it was. If I had changed my shit, or I'm gonna be pissed the fuck off. Pissed the fuck off. I'm full of fuck. Y'all wanna know the sad part after all this? I gotta walk back to work. Not the walking part, I gotta go back to work. Like, that sucks. But I'm gonna go ahead and walk back so I can go to the break room and like chill out for a little bit before I have to clock back in. Because I'm at 23 minutes now on this clock. So when I get back to work, I'll probably have like 15 minutes of chill time. Then I'll have to go back. Oh, child. I am full. I'm full. And this lemonade was superb. But alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my mukbang. This is like lunch with Leah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the mukbangs for me, you know, thumbs up my video. So I know, I'm sorry, I'm just moving. I know to do more of them. I'm about to go back to work now. I hope you guys have a blessed day, night, morning, whatever, whenever you're watching this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.